You know what? That ain't bad at all. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. I don't know why I've started it with bonjour, because I don't think this is a French dish. I've seen this happen in America. Yeah. Hello, basically. What we're going to do is we're going to do some deep fried steak with honey and mustard glaze. So what we're going to do, we're going to dip that in some flour, we're going to go into some egg wash, we're going to go into some breadcrumb, deep fry it off for about 6-7 minutes, pull it out, let it cool, knock together some mustard and honey sauce, and then just drizzle it over the top. And I wonder if that's going to be something special or not. When I watched it on Netflix, I saw the geezer do it and he stuck it into a sandwich as well. He had a bit of crusty bread round it. So I was thinking about that, but then I thought, you know what, let's just see it for what it is like by itself and see if that fryer cooks that steak up how it should do once it's been glazed and whatever else. And let's just see if the juices still run out and if it's as good as what it looked like when I saw it on Netflix. Let's get busy. Here we go. In goes the steak into the flour. Douse that in that. Make sure you get all the edges as well, because you're going to stick, the egg's going to stick to it afterwards. So you want to make sure that you're giving it something to stick to. Yeah, nice. All round the edges as well. I've done it before, not with this steak, but I've done it before with fish or whatever else. If you don't do it, you end up the batter not sticking to it completely. So yeah, nice. Look, there you go, like that. Give it a little shake off into the egg. Move it around. Nice. That's the glue. Get the egg all round it as well. And then we're going to go from there. Pick that up. Oh, it's a slippery little suckers. Slippery little suckers. Name that film. Name that film. Slippery little suckers. I'm going back. Oh, Jesus. Richard Gere's in it. There you go. I'll give you a clue. Richard Gere's in it. Name that film. Right, cover it over with a breadcrumb. All round. And then from there, once we've done it, we're going to go into the fryer. Straight into the fryer. Ooh. Wait for the sizzle. Oh, she's sizzling. Mustard's in. Equal amount of mustard and honey. And then just mix it all together. And that sweetness should come through. Oh, yeah, look at that. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Well, I've got it here. Just a little pinch of sea salt as well. Flakes, that is. Sea salt flakes. That should be lovely. We'll drizzle that over that steak once it's done. Have a look. Oh yeah. Back down. Ain't ready just yet. Time to check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What does it look like inside, I hear you say? Because I'm saying the exact same thing. I've never stuck a bit of steak in the fire before. Let that sit and then we'll give it a go. Right then. So there's our bit of steak which has come out of the fryer. There's our honey and mustard drizzle, which we're going to say. I'm going to drizzle that over. This is how I visualised it in my brain. But I'm wondering what it's going to taste like. And is that steak cooked properly all the way through? Will be the question. Let's give it a go. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about this one because I've never done a bit of steak in a fryer. But that drizzle sauce, let me tell you, that, all that is honey, mustard, a little bit of salt. Oh, it's really nice. Really, really nice. Right, let's give it a go, shall we? It's cooked. Get a bit of drizzle on there. Bring that drizzle back in. You know what? That ain't bad at all. That ain't bad at all, mate. A little bit of drizzle over it like that. Something different. Mustard then. That ain't bad at all. Mushrooms with it, homemade fries with it. Or as I saw it with the Americans, they did it as a steak sandwich in a stick. That type thing. I bet that'd be beautiful in a stick. Give it a go. I'm impressed with that. I didn't know how that was going to be in the fryer. I like it.